Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and battery bracket. Removal. Disconnect the battery cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the four 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the trunk to the top cover. Remove the two 5.5mm P1 Phillips head screws from the rear edge of the trunk that secure it to the top cover. Carefully slide the trunk off of the top cover and remove. Replacement. Slide the trunk into position on the top cover. Replace the two 5.5mm P1 Phillips head screws into the rear edge of the trunk that secure it to the top cover. Replace the four 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the trunk to the top cover. Connect the battery cable into its connector on the system board.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.